Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Slack workspace settings in 2026. Many workspace admins and owners find it confusing to adjust settings, and small mistakes can affect access, notifications, or integrations. First, understand who can change settings. Only workspace owners and admins can update settings. Regular members won't see these options. Step 1, open your Slack workspace. Click the workspace name at the top left, then go to Settings and Administration, greater than Workspace Settings. This is the main dashboard for all workspace controls. Step 2, choose what to change. You can update workspace name, default channels, permissions, notifications, and integrations. Review carefully as some changes affect all members. Step 3, edit and save. Click Edit, make changes, and hit Save Changes. Slack may ask for confirmation before applying edits. Step 4, check member permissions. Some changes affect posting, inviting, or accessing channels. Always review roles after updating settings. Step 5, refresh Slack. Changes may take a few minutes to apply. Logging out and back in ensures updates are visible to all members. So yeah, changing Slack workspace settings needs owner/admin access, careful edits, and checking member permissions. Follow these steps and your workspace will stay organized and functional. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.